Alright guys, this is Mr. Whitaker. I wanted to let you guys do a Earth Day art project. This is for 4th and 5th grade, and you guys are going to have two options. You'll see another art lesson later. But this art lesson is taking a cereal box and not putting it in the trash. Save your cereal box. You can do Rice Krispies, Lucky Charms, Fruity Pebbles, anything that you have. And cut the inside, tear it apart from the inside, and then cut the front panel down to where you just have one flat piece. You don't have any edges or corners. So it's just one flat piece of cardboard, okay? And what we're going to do, every year with Earth Day, there's a lot of talk about plastic in the ocean and sea turtles. So what we're going to do today is draw a sea turtle. So this is one piece of material, but this one I've already sketched out a little bit, so you guys just follow along. I'm using a black Crayola marker, and that's basically what we're all going to use. You can use markers or crayons, and I've got a couple crayons to color with also. So we're going to outline the sea turtle, and then we're going to start coloring him in, okay? As we start to draw the turtle's head, think about your fist. If I tuck my thumb in my fist and make this shape, that's basically the shape of a sea turtle's head, okay? So it's a thumb inside a fist, all right? So when we start to do the sea turtle, you have that little hook part, and then you want to get that shape there, okay? And then I'm going to kind of go all the way around the edges, so you guys get an idea of that. So sea turtles are different in the aspect they don't have legs, they have flippers, okay? So we have to go all the way around and make our flippers for a sea turtle, and then also the shell. One side of the shell will be kind of smooth, and then the other side is going to be kind of like a scalloped edge, so it's going to be rounded. All right. Then we want to do in the middle of the shell, we want to make hexagons. We want to do 3 of them right in a row. And this will be the middle of your sea turtle shell. And the last one is not quite another hexagon, it's more like a pentagon. Okay, so we've got 3 hexagons and then a pentagon. And then we're going to come back to the eye and draw in the eye part of the turtle. Okay, and then add this little detail for the nose. You'll notice that the inside part of the eye and the nose I'm coloring in solid. So for everything else, I'm just going to outline quickly, and then I'm going to start bringing in some colors too with other markers. But I kind of want to go through this outline part of the shell. And then you notice at the very last is there's a few more ridges, a few more shapes. And I'm just going around, and where these little hump shapes are, I'm kind of bringing the lines of the shell together, okay? Now I'm going to focus on the turtle itself. So basically, for the turtle shell, I'm going to kind of outline some blue on the turtle shell, because sea turtles have blue and green. They're not just all green and brown like the turtles we see on the land and at ponds where we live. Sea turtles are a little different. They have more blue and more green in them. Now we're going to come back with a crayon. This is kind of a blue-green crayon. And We're just trying to do in the same direction as best we can, kind of diagonal. Now, if your shapes are a little different, that's fine. I just want you to try to draw a sea turtle as best you can. And when I post this, I'm also going to give you a step-by-step tutorial of this, so you can see the steps in case you don't have access to watch this video. Now this part, the flippers, I'm going to do more green for the flippers, okay? And it's a little bit different on the cardboard because it's a little bit darker than it would be on white paper. I forgot to do the back flippers earlier, so I'm going to fill those in. Just outline those with black. And I'm doing some more shapes inside the flippers. These kind of look more like circles. And if you've ever seen a sea turtle, they kind of have some bumps on their flippers. And a good movie to watch would be Finding Nemo, if you've ever seen that movie. You can see a lot of sea turtles in that movie. And all this is just a highlighter. It's a little bit lighter green. And I'm going to go around this outside edge of the turtle. Now I'm coloring a little bit faster on this video than I probably would if I were in class, but I just want to get you guys to understand the shapes and then also the colors, blues and the greens of a sea turtle. Alright guys, here's my sea turtle, and I want you to have fun with this, and I hope to see you guys soon.